Hello guys, in the previous video we have talked about some formulas and logarithms. Today we will do some proofs of that formulas. The first formula was log a base mn, which was equal to log a base plus log a base n. So we will assume that log a base m equal to x and log a base m equal to y, which is equal to a to the power x, what will be m, and a to the power y equal to n. So we'll just multiply a to the power x into a to the power y, which is equal to mn, or a to the power x plus y equal to mn. As that is the same base, the powers will be multiplied. We'll just put the value of x and here, x and y. So log a base mn equal to x plus y, which is equal to log a base m plus log a base n. We'll just putting the values of x and y. The second formula was that log a base m by n, which was equal to log a base m minus log a base n. We'll do the same here. Okay, so what will be log a base m will take as x and log a base n equal to y. So what will be here, a to the power x m and a to the power y n. So means we will do the same here. So what will be a to the power x by a to the power y, here m by n. What will be a to the power x minus y m by n. As the bases are equal and will divide, thus the power will be subtracted. So log a base m by n, what is x minus y, which is equal to log a base m minus log a base n. We have to remember these formulas only, just putting the values of x and y. In the first formula, what we do is that means we multiply and here we divide. Okay, so next our formula is what is log a base m to the power n. The power will come first, log n log a base m. What will take log a base m to the power n equal to x, which is equal to a to the power x equal to m to the power n, and log a base m equal to y, which is equal to a to the power y equal to m. So a to the power x, what is m to the power n, which is equal to a to the power y to the power n, which is a to the power ny, means x equal to ni, or log a base m to the power n, which is equal to a log n log a base m. We'll put the value of x and y. Our next formula is that log a base m equal to log b base m into log a base b. This is the formula of changing the bases only. So we'll take log a base m equal to x, which is equal to a to the power x, what will be m, and log b base m equal to y, which is b to the power y equal to m. Here, and we'll take another variable, log a base b equal to z, which is equal to a to the power z equal to b, and a to the power x equal to m equal to b to the power, what will be equal to a to the power z to the power y, which is equal to a to the power yz. So we have proved that x equal to yz, as the bases are same and the power is also same, x equal to yz. So or log a base m equal to log b base m into log a base b. We'll put the value of x, y and z. So here another is that if we'll take log b base a, what will be log a base b. Here is the formula over the proof of that formula. And another important formula is that log b base a equal to 1 by log a base b. Another formula is that log a b base m equal to log a base m by log a base b. So our in this video is over. Subscribe our channel and thank you for all your support.